Up for sale is our 1968 16-foot Sidewinder Lowpro. The boat was restored in 2023 with my lifelong friend of 68 years. Here she sits at the Gilgo Beach dock. The boat has its original gel coat and interior. So if you're looking for that classic ride with some modern upgrades, this boat is for you. This 1968 16-foot Sidewinder Lowpro is the perfect blend of vintage charm and reliable performance. It's featuring a Coosa Transom Floor, and it was done from the inside, so this boat was built to last. Paired with a 1977 Mercury 150 horsepower L6 tower of power, it's ready to hit the water and impress. The Sidewinder sits on a solid and reliable trailer for easy transportation. It's simple to launch and perfectly balanced. The engine was brought down to Merc's on L6 in West Virginia, and it was rewired with a CDI internal harness. The three carbs were rebuilt with new fuel lines and a fuel pump. The water pump and housing replaced, and now it pisses like a racehorse. This was a freshwater engine and is flushed with every use. The 1977 Mercury 150 horsepower L6 tower of power with a chopper prop offers ideal all-around performance. With two full-size adults, it'll easily hit 50 miles an hour. Driving along on a calm day, we've reached 55.5, and with a little tweaking should go over 60. As I mentioned earlier, the transom floor was restored from the inside with Coosa. Here's a photo of the drain hole before the copper tube was placed. As you can see, it's pretty dense and solid. The transom floor was restored with Coosa and then glassed in place with woven in 1708 to handle any horsepower engine. A custom battery box was made and a dog leg created for additional reinforcements. If you'd like additional information or have any questions, my contact information is listed in the description. Have a great day today and every day.